Ready to dive into the Solana universe and unlock the world of decentralized finance? Today, we're creating your gateway, a brand new Phantom wallet. First, head over to Phantom app. You'll see options for different browsers like Chrome, Firefox, Brave, and Edge. Choose the one that matches your browser and click on it. This will take you to the extension store where you can download and install Phantom. Once you're on the extension page, simply click the Install or Add to button. After the installation is complete, you'll find the Phantom icon. It looks like a friendly ghost in your browser's toolbar. Go ahead and click on the Phantom icon to open the wallet setup. Since you're new to Phantom, select Create a new wallet now. This is super important. You'll be presented with your secret recovery phrase, also known as a seed phrase. This is a series of 12 random words. This phrase is the only way to recover your wallet if you lose access. So write it down on a piece of paper physically and store it in a very safe place, not on your computer or phone. Seriously. Once you've secured your seed phrase, confirm that you've written it down by clicking the checkbox and then click Continue. Now, choose a strong password for your wallet. This is what you'll use to unlock Phantom on your device. Enter your password and confirm it. Click Next and then Finish. Congratulations! You've successfully created your Phantom wallet and are now ready to explore the exciting world of Solana. In future videos, we'll show you how to buy, send, and swap tokens and explore different DeFi opportunities. Welcome to Solana.